Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak English better? Do you want to know how to live, learn, and work in a new country? Let me tell you a true story. I go to Canada. I study English. I get a job. I learn many things, and I want to share everything with you. If you are a beginner in English, this story is for you. It is simple. It is real. It will help you learn English step by step. Let's begin. You will love this story. Chapter 1. I go to Canada. Hello. My name is Daniel. I am a student. I am from Brazil. I want to learn English. I want to speak English better. I study English in my country, but I am a beginner. I know some words. I can say small sentences, but I want to learn more. I want to understand people. I want to speak with confidence. I want to use English every day. That is why I go to Canada. It is winter. It is very cold in Canada. I take a flight from São Paulo to Toronto. The flight is long. I sit near the window. I look outside. I see clouds. I see snow when the plane goes down. I have never seen snow before. I feel excited. I take a picture. Everything is white. I say, "Wow, Canada is beautiful." When I arrive, I go to passport control. There is a line. I feel nervous. I don't know what the officer will ask. The immigration officer says, "Hello, why are you here?" I say, "I am student. I want to learn English." He smiles and says, "Welcome to Canada." I feel happy. My English works. I understand him. He understands me. At the airport, a man waits for me. He has a sign. The sign says my name. He is from the school. He takes me to my host family. The family is very nice. They live in a small house. There is snow in the garden. They open the door and say, "Hello, welcome." I smile. I don't understand all the words, but I say, "Hello. My name is Daniel." "Thank you." They show me my room. It is small but clean. There is a bed, a table, and a lamp. I like it. I say, "It is nice. I like it." They smile. They speak slowly. The mother says, "This is your home now." I feel safe. I feel good. In the evening, we have dinner together. We eat chicken and vegetables. I don't understand everything they say, but I listen. I try. I say some words. I say, "It is good. Thank you for dinner." They say, "You're welcome." They help me say words in English. They are patient. They don't laugh. They smile. I tell them, "I want to learn English." The father says, "You will. You are here now. Just speak every day." I like this idea. Speak every day. Not perfect. Just speak. I go to my room. I write in my notebook. I write new words. I write chicken, airport, snow, host family. I look in the dictionary. I want to remember these words. I want to use them tomorrow. The next morning I wake up early. I look out the window. It is snowing again. I take a deep breath. I say to myself, I go to Canada to learn English. I will do my best. I feel ready. I feel excited. Everything is new. The people, the food, the weather. But I want this. I want to learn. I want to grow. I want to speak English with people from around the world. I take my first step. I speak my first sentences. I make mistakes, but that's okay. I try. I speak. I learn. This is my first day in Canada. This is the beginning of my story.